Alright, I'm recording. This is my first time recording. I got manual lens on here for now, but there's the live edge bench right here. That's what we're working on, and let me get it right there. Today we're going to be applying some clear coat, and it's going to be a polyurethane, and I just wanted to show kind of the before and after of that poly application here. Don't really have any footage of me doing the build. I'll try to get some, but I might switch lenses to my autofocus lens here in a minute. But I just wanted to break out the old Sony. And we also got our other projects ready for clear too. Well, the farmhouse table in the back there, it's pretty much done. So this wine rack, I need to put a layer of clear on that. So we'll show that before and after. So before, it's got a really rustic vibe to it. I did polish this rebar up. Not sure if you can see that, if it's coming up, but and I stained it. It's a little dusty right now, but we'll get it glossed up right. Also, I wanted to show that I did burn this. Torched it up. Gave it a nice Soshugi bond. And oiled it up too. So it's kind of got this two-tone black ebony going on. Whoops. And we can take a peek at the Barstool build. That's all clear coated. Totally done. It's a prototype. I really like the way this one came out. Let's see if we can get it into focus here. Looks like we're a little overexposed. Might need to there we go. This is old Canon FD 35mm. It's a 50 lens on my Sony A7 R2. Here's another project we're working on right now. Should stop the recording and do a separate recording of this, but painted it white. I wish you could have seen it before. It was this color. It was that color right there. Painted the frame white, and I took off the tops over there. And stained it. That's the bottom of the top. Stained it up and got it looking good on the other side, but we got some stuff in store for that coming up. So let me stop this, and might need to get a new recording going on. Oh, and here's the I just can't stop. Here's the paintings. My treasures, my treasure trove right here.